Why choose Dekton in 3 minutes? How is Dekton made? Dekton is not quartz, nor a porcelain surface. It is much more. Dekton is an ultra-compact surface made with a sophisticated blend of the raw materials. These materials are used to produce the very latest in glass and porcelain, as well as the highest quality quartz work surfaces. While nature takes thousands of years to make the metamorphic changes in natural stone, Dekton emulates this natural process with the largest press of the world. Also, the latest technology is used to create an ultra-compact surface in hours. 5 reasons to choose Dekton. Reason 1. It's just one piece, the same material through the body. Seems to be the same, right? They aren't. Here we have a separate decorative glazed top layer and a base color layer. This is Dekton. The properties are the same throughout the slab. This results in a surface with better mechanical, thermal, and a unique design. Reason 2. Dekton helps you to save money. Choose between 5 different thicknesses. Due to the availability of 2 cm and 3 cm, there's no need to miter the edge, saving you money from a porcelain countertop installation. Reason 3. Dekton needs minimal maintenance. Dekton offers the natural stone and other exotic materials look and feel without the cost or maintenance that these materials need. Thanks to its minimal porosity, you can use any cleanser, even ammonia, or just a wet rag. Reason 4. Because of its beautiful design and best innovation. Reason 5. 25 years of assurance. Get the best countertop warranty in the industry. 25 years limited transferable warranty. Dekton protects your investment for years to come. Dekton is made in Spain. You're already convinced, aren't you?